Yep, the Toro decided to let me down when I needed it. So it's snowing out. I went to go start it and the starter rope broke. So let's take it apart and see if we can fix it. Start by taking off these 1/4 inch hex heads. Okay. Pretty much there's not much to these. You've got a rope that goes around a pulley, and when that rotates you can see these dogs pop out, which is what grabs the flywheel, and that's what's going to spin your engine over. And then as it's rotating, it's also tightening a spring that's inside here, and that's what's going to give you the recoil action. So let's get this old string out, extend this, so that's it. So let's use a screwdriver and lock this in place just so it doesn't go anywhere. And now I can I'm glad I didn't try to save it because this is definitely not in good shape. Let's pull this out. Alright, let's measure out the rope we need, so I'll leave a little extra for the knot. And we'll zip this through until we get to the end, and then I've got to add more to account for the piece that's broken. So I'll do that, cut it, knot it, and let's go. Now let's do a simple knot on the end of the rope. So make a loop, pull it through, and then usually just kind of hold on to the end and just kind of nudge this. I want to get it as close as possible, and sometimes I'll do a double as well because we don't want this to come undone. So there we go. So I just melt the end with just a lighter here. So finger on that, take the screwdriver out, and now let's let it rewind. Shot here.